Hey y'all, we are finally here after weeks of shocking testimony and explosive evidence. The jury in the Diddy trial has been given their final instructions and they have started deliberating. Judge Thumaranian entered the courtroom at 9:12 this morning and immediately began giving what's called the jury charge, which is the official instructions on how jurors must decide the case based solely on the law and the evidence they heard in court. He reminded them that an indictment is not evidence, arguments from attorneys are not evidence, and only testimony and exhibits count. So, what are the charges again? Count one is racketeering, RICO from 2004 to 2024. Count two is sex trafficking of Cassie from 2009 to 2018. Count three is transporting Cassie for prostitution. Count four is sex trafficking of Jane Doe from 2019 to 2024. And count five is transporting Jane for prostitution. Each charge must be evaluated separately and guilt must be found beyond a reasonable doubt. Key legal points the jury must consider to convict on RICO, the government must prove Combs joined an enterprise and committed at least two predicate acts within a 10-year span. Predicate acts include kidnapping, arson, bribery, witness tampering, forced labor, sex trafficking, prostitution related transport, and drug distribution. For sex trafficking, the jury must be unanimous on at least one specific instance. For transporting someone for prostitution, even buying or arranging a ticket is enough if prostitution was the purpose. Voluntary intoxication could negate intent on certain crimes, though. The venue, so at least one act must have happened in the Southern District of New York. And for the witnesses, they said that those testifying under immunity should be viewed with greater scrutiny. Charts, summaries, and pseudonyms were permitted, but jurors were told to evaluate credibility carefully. Jurors were reminded not to speculate about uncalled witnesses, as each side had the same opportunity to call them and didn't. About the exhibits, the government wanted to exclude the subject lines from BlackBerry messages like "I'm so horny," and the judge said only neutral lists of messages should be sent in. Juror number five was chosen as their foreperson, and they've been given a laptop with agreed upon exhibits to begin their work. The five alternates were dismissed but must remain available in case they're needed. The judge thanked them for their service and reminded them no media, no social posts, no outside reading. At 11:48 a.m., the jury officially went into deliberation. Diddy spoke with his family before being escorted back to the holding cell. His lawyers remain at the defense table typing away at their laptops. So we're now just in the waiting game. The verdict could come at any time or it could take days, even weeks. I'll be here to update you the second we know more. So make sure to follow and stay tuned for more.